going on, guys? It's King Tuts Pro. Welcome back to another Final Cut Pro 10 tutorial. In today's video, I want to let you guys know that I did release a free pack on my store. Link is going to be in the description. It's going to be at the top. Once you guys click the link down in the description, it's going to take you to this page here, which you guys can download for free. As you can see here, the clips are in 4K and they're in 60 FPS. So if I just go through these really quickly, you're going to see the first one is going to be this one, and then this one here is going to be the Cuban link chain transition, which does require a mask, by the way. And then this one here is going to be kind of like this money stack transition. This one here is another cool one. This is the bullet transition. It is in 3D, which is kind of cool. Now, the only thing I do ask of you guys is to just leave a like on this video. If we can hit 500 likes in 24 hours, I will drop another free pack for you guys. All right, so I have these two clips in the timeline that I want to transition. The way you import this, just like any other video, just press Command I to open up the media import window. You're going to select the clips inside of it and you're going to click import all. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go here and I'm just drag the money stack transition. I'm just going to drag this right above the media here, and then I'm going to let go. And then you're going to notice it looks like this. Now here, right at this like spot is where this needs to be right here. So what I like to do is I like to press M on the keyboard to add a little marker. And then you're going to notice it's still a little too long. So we're going to press Command R, and then we're going to go to the end and click and drag that to match it to like this here. And then play it through and it should look just like that. Let's do the bullet transition. So I'm going to drag this one here, let go, and then just push play. So I'm going to select this second clip. I'm going to drag it underneath and drag the transition that you want to use. Let's go with the sneaker one. By the way, the transitions are 2 seconds long each. And I want to make sure that this is the same length as the transition. You know, depending if you made it longer or shorter, just make sure it's the same length. And then I'm going to press Shift Z to fit everything into the timeline. Now you're going to notice that it looks like this. So what we're going to do is select the first clip here, which is just the one underneath the transition. You're going to go over to the effects, masks, and you're going to go to draw mask and just add that onto that clip. And then you're going to go ahead and zoom out of the window. You're going to make a couple of points, so just click right here, and then you're going to go over to the inspector tab. So make sure that the invert mask button is checked, and make sure you add a keyframe next to that. And then you're just going to go through and just kind of skim through, pressing right arrow key, and then you're going to move these control points whenever the mask is like this. So just make sure that this line is in between this transition here. In this case, the sneaker. So we're gonna go and just kind of skim through, use this here, just click and drag, because if you don't do that, it's going to look like this. Okay, so just make sure you go back and you move these points over. Once it gets to this point, you can just drag it all the way over and you should be good to go. So now it should look something like this. So if I go back and I push play, it's gonna look just like that. Super easy. The same thing here that we just did applies to the mask chain transition. So if we can hit 500 likes in 24 hours, I will drop another pack. Also, do follow me on Instagram at KingTutsPro. With that being said, I'll catch you next time.